Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase, another one here. We're going to bring another important reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind on now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's the shape on the vlog in truth. Now, present subscribers, based on statements made by DJ Khaled, it appears that Movado is out and Bounty Killer is in. Now, truth be told, Khaled tried with Vado. It just never worked out. And to date, Vado still owe Khaled on the first album project. I'm gonna mean respects. I mean investments made into making the album, and the fact that the sales were not enough to recoup the investment. Now, Khaled is saying that based on the impact that he has seen from the Bounty Killer verse in his most recent project, a giant production feature might be on the way. This would be a good look for music. And I say music in general because we know the strong history with dancehall and hip-hop. Now, I couldn't hear it for myself, and then we can continue the reasoning.
He's taking his time working on his album. Just know I'm going to be contributing to that album. It's going to be personal for me to make sure we make something special. We're not going to say too much.
No, we're not going to tell you. You know what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. But either way, I know that I'm going to be
fine. They're going to be so joyful when they found out what you're going to do.
Oh, my goodness. So Jamaica, you think we just getting started? We've been doing this for over 20 years.
Just getting started.
We just getting started.
You think they're excited about this? Wait until they hear the one you're going to produce on the King of Kingston.
Oh, my God. Oh, my. Bati, what's the name? Kingston, the name of the album? King of Kingston?
King of Kingston.
That's
King of Kingston.
Listen,
yeah.
Yo, listen. You know, me love Kingston, you know, King of Kingston. That ain't right. That's not a regular talk, you know what I mean? Because the Kingston ain't regular, you know what I mean? Like, I'm like a big fan on it because you my brother, but I'm a fan about you know that. You know what I mean? Like, ain't nobody got a voice like you. Like, matter of fact, put this verse on right now. Rewind that part and turn the fucking music to the fan here. Stop. Yo, Warlord, the feeling of that record, that's that feeling.
Yeah.
Certain records, people make records, but there's people that make records with a feeling where you be like, wow. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, you can feel the soul of everyone on that
song. It's the pure, the soul.
Yeah.
Like, and then the video, when you see the video,
you saw it's a whole collaborative effort. Over 20 odd years we've been trying to pull this off. Finally we found that bomb. The detonator went off. Ooh.
Man,
world explosion.
Hey yo, listen, Water, the way you come on this track, you come with a flow. Yeah, and when you hear with the block, like and shit, and
that's the Khaled type of dub. That's the Arab attack stuff. You know what shit.
So let me tell a story. I'm
the detonator. The gladiator.
I called Bounty Killer, yo, Warlord. I'm catching a vibe. I'm gonna send you a track, please. I would love to get you on my album. And I've always wanted to, make another record with you, but I always said I wanted to be the right one. You know what I mean?
We never
I always said,
process.
Right, and I said it to you. Don't want to tell the story to the people, so I said it to Bounty Killer. He recorded it like 3, 4 in the morning, and we shot the video the next day at 11 in the morning.
Yeah.
Like, Warlord went to the studio, cut the record at 4 in the morning, went home, took a shower, you know what I mean? Smoked a big blood clot split, and then straight to the video shoot, and we all fuck up the place, and we all
fuck up the place.
Yo, you know what my favorite part is? Just to see all y'all together, Buju, Bounty, Capleton,
that cast is everlasting, man. He's extraordinary.
Yo, when I was with y'all, because you my brother from day one. You co-signed me in my career when I had $100 in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? Like when I was making $100 a week. You know what I mean?
No, but you was rich in soul, Khaled.
We always
ever since
rich in, but the reason why I say that,
gold, man.
No, but the reason why I say that is you blessed me so much in my career. You should load me up with dub plate and say, Khaled, go fuck up the place. Go fuck up the place. Go
yeah,
fuck up
because
the
you
place.
have that natural talent and that energy and that vibes, and yo, you play my songs different. When Khaled plays a bounty killer, you feel the bounty killer. You bring that vibe.
Yeah,
The same way I deliver the song is the same way you play and DJ.
Listen, you know, everybody get, shout out to Sharon Burke, everybody give me props for Fully Loaded. But one of my biggest dances that I ever fuck up was It's a Party.
Yeah, from Fully Loaded to It's a Party. Yeah, cause that's where I said, no, you have to come to It's a Party.
Yeah, I remember doing It's a Party, and It's a Party, the energy, me not forget.
That was no competition now. They see you are a real battle DJ and also a club DJ.
Yes.
So that's where they see you doing the mixing and all the crazy style. I
had a chance to give him a show. You know what I mean?
A show.
Yo, but
no
Bounty,
interruption.
Yo, Bounty, you know you're legendary, right? You're like one of the most legendary. You're iconic.
Thanks, man.
And I'm not saying it because you're my brother. I just told Richie D, because he was like, yo.
Yeah, he had Richie. I saw you a while ago.
Yeah, he was like, you know, I love how you went for the classic. I said, yeah, I went for the classic. But those are my brothers in my heart. But
yeah, people know that too, Khaled. They know that.
No,
but you don't have to. And tell you what, I want to declare this. You don't have to try to profess your love for the culture and the country of Jamaica anymore. It's been like 22 going 23 years now since I met you, and this is you since I met you. All this enthusiasm and this amplified energy and spirit and vibe, this is the way you approach me, and this is what I felt from the first time I met you. And I know that you genuinely love this. This record is for the culture to give you your Jamaican bird surfing ticket. They know that you're a yard man from heart.
Yeah. Listen, I would love
it.
I would love that shit. I would frame that shit. You know, because not only do I love,
we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk to Andrew. We're gonna talk to Andrew.
We gotta get Andrew. Andrew gotta
minister.
Andrew
yeah, they gotta give Khaled a Jamaican birth paper.
He got it. Yo, Bounty,
he gotta get a passport, a key to the city, or something.
Make sure, whatever. Yo, Bounty, man, like, man, I know I told you this on the phone the other day, but I really appreciate you, you know, not just for this record, man, for what you did for me in my career. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want you to know this. I tell the people all the time, there's certain people that touch me, you know, like me as in, yo, Khaled, I got you. There's certain people, and you one of them people. You know what I mean? And let me be clear, this bounty killer, I'm talking to the fans too while I'm talking to you. This bounty killer, meaning as in, you know, this, you can't just come walk the bounty killer and just start talking. That shit don't work. Because he gonna, even when I used to go see him, he used to come, I walk up to him, he'd be like, watch it now, Khaled. Watch it now, Khaled. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to people, Fuji a Don, Bounty a Don, Capleton a Don. These are bosses. These ain't no, like, you can just come talk to Bounty Killer, even though you're the nicest person in the world. But I'm just trying to say this, at that time and now, you know, for you to co-sign me was beyond legendary, because you made my name worldwide, from England, London.
No, I want niggas to go back and listen to the Ghetto Dictionary album.
Yes.
To the intro.
Yes.
And listen to the way you introduced me to the world on that album. And listen, if it's not the same energy, same spirit, same vibes, and the same life you are saying and doing today.
Yeah, yo, you know, it's so crazy. I went, when you hit me, I went to listen to us, and yo, we were talking that shit then too.
Yo, that intro not normal. It's the same vibe.
But listen, so I'm not gonna tell the fans yet, but you know, Bounty Killer working on his new album.
And subscribers, it's always good to hear established superstars in the hip hop genre, whether they are producers like Khaled, artists like Drake, artists like Jay-Z. When we hear them speak of, you know, the strong history that they personally have had with dancehall music and dancehall superstars, it speaks to the magnitude of dancehall's impact on the world stage. Despite how people might want to stereotype dancehall and dancehall artists and even the music itself, the truth is, our artists, our music, our culture has served as an inspiration to many other countries across the world. It is just not being celebrated here locally, but we have the unique opportunity to change that by showing support to the music. Bounty and Khaled That would definitely be a good look. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I say I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. Yeah, man, Move Settings viewers and subscribers. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper.